sad, yeah. So sad.
Yeah, man.
Hello? Yes, इलेक्टोरल ऑफिस ने नोटिस दे दिया था इसके मेकर्स को, तो उसी नोटिस के लिए फिर ये लोग मिलने गए। उसी नोटिस में ये था कि इसके जो रिलीज डेट को लेकर ही।
All right, the visuals that you're looking at your screens right now, viewers, are of the Election Commission there, and Vivek Oberoi just entered there. He's supposed to meet the election officials. Let me straight away go across to Sumi, who is with us. Sumi, take us through what you witnessed in the past few minutes. Vivek Oberoi there. What exactly will be his agenda?
So we just saw the actor Vivek Oberoi, and as we know that the flick which features Vivek Oberoi as Prime Minister Narendra Modi has got into a lot of controversy after the release date was preponed from April 11th to April 5th. So the release date has got a lot of controversy around it, and the political parties, especially Congress, had approached Election Commission in the past, saying that the release date, the movie should be released and should be slated to release post-election, so that it doesn't influence any of the any of the voters or the elections. And we also saw CPM, the party CPM, also approaching the Election Commission, and we also know that Chief Electoral Officer issued a notice on the same to the makers of Prime Minister Narendra Modi movie, which is by the actor Vivek Oberoi and the producer Sandeep Singh. And also, we could also see that the director Umang Kumar going inside the Election Commission to sort this whole matter. Once they come out, we will get a clear picture as to what really the Election Commission has instructed them.
But Sumi, what exactly is the picture as of now? Because there were reports that the due time of its release, they want the movie to be preponed.
Yes. Actually, the movie was previously slated to release on April 11th. That is, after a few times, the movie was slated to release on April 11th, but it was preponed to April 5th. And we know that the first phase of elections, the nation is going to go into that election process on April 11th. So all the opposition political parties, they had a problem with the release with the movie, and they also had a stand that this movie, once released, will also violate the Model Code of Conduct, as this movie is a propaganda movie, and that's what the Congress is alleging right now, which is why the actors and the makers of this flick have approached the EC on the lines of the notice that was sent to the makers a couple of days before on the release date.
So what exactly the options the filmmakers and the actors of the movie have before them, Sumi? Because in all likelihood, would they or are ready for the option of pushing back the release date, because you already have a lot of politics that has been also being done on the movie?
Yeah, since we know that the controversy has already gotten the movie, so the makers will now have now approached the EC to actually slate, or the film was actually slated to get banned in certain states before the elections, but now the makers are going to sort out the process, and they're going to get the ban delayed, and also probably they're going to get another release date probably post-elections. So that's what we are looking at, and once Vivek Oberoi and the makers of the film are out from the Election Commission, we'll get to know the clear picture as to what really process they had to go through before releasing the film.
All right, so even before the movie release, there is a lot of controversy doing rounds, and you have the actors, the lead and the directors of the movie who are right now at the Election Commission office in New Delhi. And Sumi will keep a close eye on the developments that take place when this meeting is over. Sumi, for the moment, thank you very much. We move on to some more breaking news.